How to disable music in Horror Tale 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable the music and play more focusedly. First of all, open the application. Now here, you'll be able to see settings. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to see this music tab. Now here, there's a slider too, so you can adjust the music accordingly. But you can completely keep it to 0 if you want no disturbance in the game. Now if you go back, it's all set. Now you can be more focused in the game and you can even hear other characters more carefully. So it's a horror game. It will be more fun playing in this way. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.